Hello everyone, this is video about how to create halftone effect, color halftone effect like this as a background. Okay, you can check now like this. Okay, let's go. This is layer I would like to tell. The first step, create new layer and use gradient tool and setting, gradient editor, preset, select basic and select this and OK, and then click here, hold and like this. OK, and then right click and convert to smart object, click filter, color halftone and use this is setting 30, this 70, 70, 70 and 70. Use this setting and then OK. The next, click layer 2 and click select load selection, checklist invert. OK, and click layer 3, add layer mask like this, and then select screen. OK, finish. And if you want to know how to create layer like this and like this, can background blur like this, and you can try watch my tutorial video in this channel. You can check the link video in this description. Thank you. Support me by like and subscribe.